Hello, random viewer on the internet. We are at 74th Street, Broadway, Jackson Heights, Roosevelt Avenue station in New York. And today we are taking a nice little adventure to the least used station, at least last I checked, on the number 7 subway line, which is the next station up from here. This is the downtown platform, so we are not heading towards Flushing, but rather towards Manhattan, of course. If you look down all the way down there, you can see the station and Woodside. Nothing really exciting though. Of course, express trains do not run at this hour. I don't think, anyways. Here comes the train.
Notice Manhattan bound. Local 7 train to 34th Street, Hudson Yards. Approaching the station, please stand away from the platform edge.
But we can make this work. Nice. Alright, 69th Street, the least used station on the number 7 subway. Allegedly, it has since changed to Hunters Point Avenue, but we don't care about Hunters Point Avenue, right? Nah. Like, come on!
What I do is find this and then I'll
Who the hell calls this Fisk Avenue anyways? Nobody! But it's pretty obvious why it's the least used on the line. 74th has a crap ton of subway connections with whatchamacallit, the Queens Boulevard tunnels. Woodside's right there, that has the LIRR, and you just have this station in limbo, even if it's named after a rather nice street. Of course, I don't know if 69th Street itself is actually a nice or pleasant place to be. But go ahead, say it, ha ha, funny number, get it out of your system. Yeah, there's not a lot to say about the station. Yeah, sorry if you expected something fleshed out.